today and yesterday I was pulling paper off. Got it behind the seat here. Next wall is that one. I got this one all done. And I made a sunroof, haha. So this is the water damage, the bad water damage. Sprayed the walls down with bleach. They actually don't look too awful bad in some spots, but we're gonna be replacing a lot of it. So the metal is just falling apart, so we gotta make a new frame for the roof. It's rotted metal you see there, it's not mold. I checked. So this is where we are today on all of this. Still gotta take down all that in that wall. Big bag of stuff here. So this is my next project, is this corner and across here. Since I got the door done and above the door, I'm really happy with how it came out and how it came off pretty well. So just gonna spray everything with bleach just in case there's mold anywhere before we fix the areas. That's it for now.